Okay, number 1 is A. Number 3. What's that minus 1 do? It goes down 1. Which graph goes down 1?
D.
D. Okay, if you have to take your packet apart, that's okay. 5. Which one goes down 1?
A.
A and B do. Okay, what's that plus 2 do?
Left, right 2.
Left 2.
Yeah.
So it's going to be B. Okay, 7. What's the formula?
Negative B over 2.
Negative B over 2A. So it's going to be negative 2. Negative B over 2 times 1.
Negative 1.
So that's going to be negative 1. Okay, so part of our coordinate, the x part, should be at negative 1. So what could you use or not use?
You put the negative 1 over that.
We can use A,
Can't use A,
B,
B,
and D.
and D. Okay, the D, the Y is on negative 1, not the X. So 7 is going to be C. Okay, so you don't even have to do all the stuff on here, just part of it. 9 is going to be the same way. We got negative. Our B is negative 8 over 2, and our A is negative 1. So what are you going to get?
Positive 4.
Oh, no. Negative 4, yeah.
Negative 4. Okay, look at your graphs. Which one starts the X at negative 4?
B.
B. Do I care if you show your work on your test?
No.
No. Okay, so don't waste your time. Okay, 11. We need something or factors of 18. So 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. Okay, so is 2 and 2 a factor of 18?
No.
No. Okay, so you can cross that one off. 7 and 7.
Nope.
Nope. 2 and 7.
Nope.
3 and 6.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's got to be D.
11.
Okay, 13. There's really no way to do it other than to solve. Okay, so we got 2n. So you're going to say 1n and 2n. And then we got factors of 1 and 1. Okay, we need to figure out what do we do with the signs. Okay, so when you multiply the outer, you're going to get 1 and the inner 2. I need negative 1.
Oh, negative 1.
So
Minus
the
1 plus 1.
No, the 2 is going to be negative and the 1 is going to be positive. So it's going to be, oh yeah, minus 1 plus 1, sorry. Okay, and then we're going to set them equal to 0. So you say 1n minus 1 equals 0 and 2n plus 1 equals 0. Okay, so you're going to say plus 1 and then divide. So for one of them, you should get n equals 1. Can you cross anything out?
Yeah.
You can cross off C and B.
C and B.
And negative 1.
And then D, because it says negative 1.
Oh,
So our
yeah.
answer is going to be A. Okay, 15. We need something that's going to be factors of 10 and add to positive 11.
D.
Okay, what is positive 1 minus 10?
What?
Positive,
It's not D.
Is B.
hey,
Sorry,
Oh.
B.
positive 1 minus 10 is negative 9. So yes, it is going to be B. Okay, 17. I would also suggest doing this one by hand. Okay, especially because it's a really large number. Okay, however, you can kind of check the outer and the inner with the answer. So if we look at A, what are you going to get for if you multiply the outers? If you look at A, what are you going to get when you multiply the outers?
72. Oh, A?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Okay, well, let's start off. What can we cross out? What don't look good?
C.
C, no.
To B. And
B and D definitely don't look good. Okay, try the rest. So look at this. 2x minus 9, and I got x plus 8. Okay, well what happens when you multiply the outers? What are you going to get? 2 times 9.
72.
18x. The inner, what are you going to get?
8. 2 times, what are we doing? 9 and 9?
Look at it. The outer and the inner.
9.
Negative 9. Would a negative 18 or a positive 18 and a minus 9 work?
No.
No, that's never going to give us 7. Well, what is 18 minus 9?
It's 9.
Yeah. Okay, so that's not going to give us 7. So it's got to be C. Okay, 19. Solve it with the quadratic formula.
Quadratic formula.
Okay, which one looks like not good?
D.
D,
C.
C,
A.
A. Okay, but I'm going to check it and make sure. But if I had to guess, it's probably going to be B. Okay, so you got negative B plus or minus 12 squared minus 4 times our A times our C all over 2A. Okay, type that in for underneath with the square root. What are you going to get?
We're at 8.
With the square root?
Yeah.
Over 4. So what is negative 12 plus 8 over 4?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. Does that fit with our B?
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Yeah. Okay.
And the other one's obviously negative 5. I checked it.
Good.
Every time I do these ones, I end up like big numbers. I got negative 96.
You put them in.
Okay, you can't put this part on here. Andrew was doing it yesterday too. That's not allowed. Okay. But you can do the square root. So square root of 64 is going to be 8. Okay, but don't do the outside. Where we at? 20.
It's constant
21,
monomial.
20, yeah. We're at 21.
Okay, it's definitely a monomial. Okay, some of you guys would pick linear. Okay, it's not. It is a constant monomial.
It's B.
21 is going to be B. Okay, what about 23?
D.
Hold on, I'm not there yet.
D?
Yeah.
Okay. 25. You gotta do these ones by hand. Okay, so 3, 48. So 48, you're gonna get 2 and 24, 2 and 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. What's our group number?
2.
Try again.
Oh, 3.
3. Okay, so on the outside, you're gonna get 2 with a 3, and on the inside, what are you gonna get?
Oh, I did it wrong.
2 and 3, which is what?
It's B.
It can't be A and C because it can't be A and C.
Why can't it be A and C?
Because the three's on the outside.
The 3's on the outside, okay? So it's going to be B. Where we at? 27? Okay, 27. I got 8 square root of 343. Okay, first thing, drop that 8 down. And somebody, what is 343?
Nope, not there.
7 and 49.
Wait a minute.
7 and 49, and then 7 and 7. What's our group number?
2.
2. So we can take a 7 out, and then we got a 7 on the inside.
It's D.
Yeah, it's D.
Good. $29. I got square root 96x3. Okay, the same way I did yesterday, start with the letters. Okay, because that's going to give you the biggest clue. Okay. Okay, we got 3 X's. How many can go? One group. So you should have 1 on the outside, 1 on the inside. Can you cross anything out?
Yeah, 5, 4, and the X 2.
You could cross off A. What else? B
B is,
and D.
oh yeah, D.
So obviously C is going to have to be our answer.